Ulanzi. If you been buying stuff for camera using Ulanzi, this company is producing a ton of stuff, really ton of stuff. And I'm gonna tell you, it's pretty decent. I have used this mini tripod, or actually tripod, for a pretty good amount of videos. I probably recorded, I don't know, 100 videos with this thing. I mean, this thing is pretty good. And I want to kind of give you a quick look right here. It's really decent. It's a pretty good size. If you see my hand, I'm gonna put it here next to my hand to kind of give you an idea. So it is a pretty good size. This thing is pretty big. So again, you could open it up like this, and you could actually use it as a tripod. Like I could use this on top of this desk and put it towards me, pull my cell phone, put a little light here, and I mean it's like eye level, right? So again, when you put something like this, which is a cell phone holder, it actually I will actually have to bring it a little bit down, to tell you the truth. So it will be like sitting right here. I could actually do a full video with my cell phone facing me with a little microphone like this, like the Synco that I've been talking about, and actually have a pretty decent quality. But a couple things that I want to mention with this compared to the little brother. The little brother is going to be the MT-8. The biggest difference, as far as I know, is that this one has a cold shoe right here, right? So I like that because a lot of times, actually, I attach this little Ulanzi light, and it does really good, actually. And it kind of looks like this. And I kind of like this a little bit because a lot of times when you put a cell phone and then you put something in the top, it's just, it becomes really big. So I kind of like having it here. And again, it kind of feels like that. It kind of becomes a little bit more compact design right here, right? So again, let me turn this on so you guys can have an idea. You see that? I mean, this is a pretty good amount of light, right? This is full sight right here. I mean, this thing is like blinding me. So again, very, very nice. So with this light right there, I could literally open this up, guys, and I could put it right here. I could turn my lights on and actually have a pretty decent video with my cell phone right here. I'm going to tell you this right here. Look at this. This little light, a cell phone mount, which I'm going to attach right now for you guys to see it. And your cell phone is just a fantastic, really fantastic way to share some information. People out there that are probably wanting to hear your message, want to hear what you guys got to say. So again, look at this, right? This is perfect. And I'm going to show you this. In this case, you don't have a cold shoot up here. So you wouldn't have a way to attach this light unless you have it in the tripod himself, right? So again, this will be a really nice setup. And I want you to notice something. When I bring this up, the light and everything comes up, right? So the light is not attached to the bottom. It's actually attached to the top. But again, you know, something like this, you could be recording very decent videos from here. I could be like, hey, guys, you know, welcome here. I'm about to live stream in whatever place you want it live stream at, right? So